Hello, it's your guy, Da Vinci Jeremy, and I would be showing you guys one of the best ways to make money with crypto. This method is called crypto arbitrage strategy or arbitrage trading. As you may have noticed, Bitcoin has surpassed $67,000 and is holding steady at this price. This presents a great opportunity to capitalize on our crypto arbitrage strategy, which involves trading between two exchanges where we buy low on one exchange and then sell high on another exchange to generate profit. Let me show you guys a more practical demonstration. Let's first head over to Coin Market Cap, then navigate to the Market section. Over here, it could be surprising to see that the price of Bitcoin is actually different from one platform to another. If you take a closer look at the price of Bitcoin at Binance, Coinbase, and even on Bybit, they all have different prices. What does that mean? It means we can buy Bitcoin from Binance at the price of 67,688 and then sell on Coinbase, which has a higher price of 67,503, and make a profit from the difference in price, which is about $15. But it's sad to realize that the price's difference is relatively low and much profits won't be made. But the good news is that we would be revealing the platform that we are using, which offers a higher price of about 9%, which would give us a higher profit margin. I will provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow and replicate. We will be using the popular crypto exchange Binance, and the other exchange will be Cloudbits. If you compare the Bitcoin rate on Binance and Cloudbits, you'll see that it's about 9% higher on Cloudbits. This implies that we could buy Bitcoin on Binance and sell that on the Cloudbits exchange, earning a profit of 9% for each transaction based on the initial investment. Let's proceed with the trade using an example amount of $9,500 and assess the potential earnings. On Binance, we'll purchase BTC for $9,500. Please remember this amount. Our next step is to transfer the purchased BTC to the Cloudbits crypto exchange. To do this, we'll navigate to the wallet, access the deposit page, copy the BTC address provided for deposits, and initiate the transfer of coins from Binance to Cloudbits. BTC has arrived on Cloudbits. We proceed to the swap section and then swap the coins from BTC to USDT. As a result, we obtained $10,633 from the sale, starting with an initial amount of $9,500, resulting in a profit of $1,133. Now, you'll need to withdraw USDT back to Binance. To do this, go to the Withdrawal tab and enter the withdrawal address obtained from Binance. I recommend using the TRC20 network for its speed and low commission. As you can see, the funds have successfully arrived in Binance, resulting in $10,633 from our initial $9,500, equating to a profit of $1,133. This demonstrates that the larger the amount, the higher the profit you can achieve from a single trade, all within approximately 15 minutes of your time. You can increase the starting amount each time and repeat this process multiple times, earning more profit. That's all. I highly recommend taking advantage of this strategy as soon as possible before it gets fixed. I will send you my referral link, which you would use and get a 20% sign up bonus on your first deposit.